I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Yaris tire. First, ensure your safety by parking your car on a level, stable surface, well away from any traffic. Engage the parking brake firmly and switch on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Before you begin, locate your spare tire, the jack, and the lug wrench, usually found in the boot of your Yaris. Once you have your tools, remove any wheel covers. Then, using your lug wrench, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire while the car is still on the ground. This makes them easier to remove later. Next, find the correct jacking point on your Yaris, typically a reinforced area on the frame near the flat tire. Carefully position the jack and begin to raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground. With the car safely lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts you previously loosened. Place them in a safe spot so they don't roll away. Carefully take off the flat tire and set it aside. Now, lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the vehicle. Slide the spare onto the studs, then hand tighten all the lug nuts back into place. Ensure they are snug before lowering the car. Gently lower the vehicle until the spare tire makes contact with the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Now, use your lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure and security. Once the car is fully lowered, give each lug nut a final, firm tightening in that star pattern. Remember to check the tire pressure of your newly installed spare as soon as possible and store the flat tire securely. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to stay refreshed, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.